What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to make some jerk chicken. Let's get started. So guys, here in my bowl I have some chicken that I washed and cleaned with lemon juice and vinegar. And over here I have some dried seasoning and of course my homemade jerk seasoning. So here in my bowl I have 4 pieces of chicken thigh and 4 chicken legs. You could use whatever part of the chicken you choose. And here are the seasonings I'll be using. I have some paprika, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, all-purpose, seasoning salt, and some onion powder. I'm gonna go in with a little drizzle of oil just to make sure that my seasonings stick to my chicken well. Now I'm just gonna dump the dry seasoning in. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of my homemade jerk seasoning. The link for this will be down in the description box, or I will link it in the cards above. Now I'm just gonna go in and massage my chicken. I'm gonna get all that season rubbed straight in, go down to the bone. And guys, I actually did this overnight. So when you season your chicken overnight, it makes for a more flavorful chicken because it has enough time to marinate and go all the way down to the bone. So yes, I did do this overnight. But if you don't have overnight time, you could just season this like maybe 2 or 3 hours before and let it marinate, and then you're good to go. I'm just going to cover this and place this in my refrigerator, and then voila, tomorrow it'll be ready. Now it's the next day, and here I have my grill pan heating up. Now guys, you want to make sure that your grill is super hot. You want it nice and hot so you will be able to achieve those beautiful grill marks. I'm gonna let these go for about 5 minutes on each side until I achieve some nice grill marks, and then I'm gonna finish these off into the oven. And my oven is also being preheated at 375. Now we're going to give this a flip on the other side for additional 5 minutes. And I'm going to let these go for 30 to 35 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and work on my jerk sauce. And guys, this is really quick, simple and easy. So here in my pan, I'm just going to add some compound butter, and compound butter is just a fancy way of saying seasoned or flavored butter. So I'm just going to add that, and then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of my jerk seasoning, I'm going to go in with some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, some vinegar, and I use balsamic vinegar. If you're wondering when the vinegar is black, I use balsamic vinegar. I'm going to give this a good mix. I went in with a little bit of honey and some water. And that's it, guys. Quick, easy, simple barbecue jerk sauce, whatever flavor you want to call it. But yeah, you have a lovely jerk sauce to dip your chicken in. I'm just going to let this simmer down and thicken up and smooth out a bit, and then that's it. And our chicken is nicely plated and ready to be served. And guys, let me tell you, this was amazing. Try this recipe, you won't regret it. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload, and let me know what you think about this recipe down in the comment section. And also remember to give your girl a thumbs up. Until then, my beautiful peep, I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.